Welcome. This is a gentle bed yoga sequence done completely supine. So you can do this right in bed or on the mat, whatever works for you, and in the morning or even at night for relaxation and to de-stress. We'll begin laying, straightening the right leg, hugging the left knee in towards the chest. And just checking in with the body here, taking a moment. We'll go ahead and plant the left foot on the mat and just allow that knee to fall open for a half supine butterfly pose, like a tree pose except laying down. Doing your best to soften the mid-back and the lower back with each exhale, softening the left leg, the right foot. We'll gently release, lifting both knees and drawing both knees over towards the right as the back stays flat on the mat for a supine twist. Option here to place pillows underneath the knees or between the knees and underneath the left shoulder for added height and support, less of a twist. Again, utilizing your inhales to really create space and using your exhales to completely let go. We'll gently release and we'll switch sides. So we'll hug the right knee in towards the chest. Take a moment here. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and plant the right foot to the mat and just allow that knee to fall open. Take a moment to observe the body, softening the body wherever you can. When you're ready, we'll gently lift the knees and we'll cross the knees over towards the left this time. Back stays flat on the mat. Option to modify. Perfect. We'll lift the knees and gently rocking the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the sacrum, the lower back. And we'll hug the knees in towards the chest, grabbing the outer edges of the feet, bottoms of feet to touch, or you can open the feet for happy baby pose. Option to gently rock side to side. We'll give ourselves a big hug here, big squeeze. And then we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up, preparing for Shavasana. We'll take a quick moment today, allowing ourselves to really soak in all the work we did, taking this one moment out of our day, out of our week, sometimes out of our month, to just be, to be here with the body in its fully relaxed and present state. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. We'll roll over towards our right, full inhale, and exhale. We'll gently come to a comfortable seat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.